Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can start staking your Ethereum on your ledger, directly on your Nano ledger, through a service called Lido. We've got the ability to do that from within your ledger Nano wallet, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you go to your Ledger Live on your desktop and click on Discover, okay, you're going to see some services that you can use, and the service I'm going to choose is going to be Lido. So all you got to do is come to Lido. You need to make sure that you actually have the Lido app stored on your ledger. So if you go to, first of all, start with going to Manager, okay, and what you want to do is make sure you got the Lido app. So let me just this first to verify. You're gonna have to do the unlocking of your device directly on your actual ledger. That's what I'm doing right now. If you don't have a ledger, check the links in the description. So I should unlock it. So you need to make sure that you have the ledger, the Lido app installed. So as you can see, mine is installed. Just install it, click install. Then once you've done that, go back to Discover and click on Lido here. Once you've done that, you'll be able to stake the full amount that is on your wallet, your ledger wallet. If you want, you can choose the amount you want to stake. Here it's a 5.4% APR, and you're going to get the ST-ETH token, which is kind of pegged to the Ethereum, but it might not be exactly pegged to Ethereum. Okay, so what you are doing here is you're giving yourself the opportunity to stake your Ethereum directly from your ledger, and this is something I've been waiting for a while, and something that I'm definitely going to do, and I'm going to show you now. So I want to stake the full amount, 6.05 Ethereum. Going to click on submit, and there's some network fees, so I'm going to click custom here and click on continue. It's going to ask me to sign the transaction, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to sign the transaction directly on my ledger. So it's asking me to review the transaction. Gonna do that now. You are now staking the full amount. It's gonna ask me to confirm the transaction. So it's telling me I'm staking it. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple, because you're doing all of this directly from your actual ledger wallet. Okay, so you don't have to go anywhere extra. You're doing it all from directly from your Nano ledger, and it's very, very secure from your Nano ledger, because you confirm everything directly on the device. So as you can see now, it's staking the full amount. And that will show on Etherscan here. I can actually click on here and check the Etherscan. So just gonna wait for that to go about its business. Let me click on the Etherscan as well to have a look. As you can see, it's pending. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, it says. It's pending transaction on the transaction queue. It's nearly 100% here. I really do like this as well. It's very, very good that we're able to do this. Very, very good that we're able to do this. Definitely something that I've been waiting for a while, and something that you may think that I don't know how I'm going to do this, but you can do it all from your actual ledger. can see here it's going through. Don't know how long it's gonna take. Don't think it's gonna take that long, but let's see. Here we go. Your new balance is 6.0523 ST, and that's it. It's telling me now that I've got available to stake 0.0114. Your new balance is 6.0523 ETH. And that's it. I'm going to start earning rewards on my staked ETH, which is, to me, it's powerful. The staked amount 6.0523. Available to stake is this amount, and that's it. That's it, really. Now I have 6.0523 staked ETH that will be earning me 5.4% a year APR. Check my portfolio here. You can see. Let me see if I can actually, if it's actually going to show me. Yep, you see at the bottom here. You can see my staked ETH is 6.052286 is my staked amount of ETH. Powerful. So now all of my ETH has been staked through Lido. So if you want to do the same, you can do it. Just come onto your app on your Nano ledger. If you haven't got a Nano ledger, check the link in the description and you'll be able to get yourself a Nano ledger. Get your ETH in there. Your ETH will be on your ledger and you can stake it directly, and your staked ETH will be staked on your Nano ledger, and you'll start to get rewards from your staked ETH from there. Powerful stuff, and I do recommend you do it, because you can actually start to earn rewards off of your Ethereum that you already have. Anyways, people, I just thought I would let you know. Also, I'm going to leave the link as well, because I can actually share the link for Lido for you to actually stake your ETH as well. So if I click on here, I'm going to actually copy this link and I'm going to actually put this in the description of this video, okay, so that you will be able to stake your own ETH as well with Lido. Anyways, people, thank you for watching this video. I hope this has been informative for you. Get yourself going, get your Ledger Live app installed on your Mac or your Windows. Make sure it's the official app, okay? So when you do go to install it, it's the correct one. Make sure you install it from the official Ledger website. Download the official Ledger Live app. Don't get tricked into the wrong one, okay? And yeah, it will be done. You will be able to start earning rewards off of your Ethereum. Anyways, people, thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.